Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is James here with Crypto Quick Start. I have another Bitcoin video for you today. This video is going to be specifically about Bitcoin and about getting to $10,000. So are we headed to $10,000? Who the heck knows? Here's what I'm looking at, and there's no guarantees this is going to happen, but this is kind of one scenario that I think might play out. A little bit of a tidbit, a little bit of a disclosure. I've only recently really started learning about cup and handle patterns, and there's actually a phenomenon when you learn about something new or when you see something new, you'll start seeing it all over the place and you just start noticing it. So I don't know if this is actually going to turn out to be a cup and handle, or if it's just that because I learned about them, now I'm seeing them in the charts. But Litecoin has the same type of thing going on. There's actually a cup and handle on Litecoin that's actually been confirmed. Now, whether or not it plays out and goes where it needs to go, we'll have to wait and see. But I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, and let me zoom in a little bit on this. Oh, I can't move it around in the video. That's going to be wonky. There we go. All right. So what we did was this is a daily chart on Bitcoin. This is back in November. We came down, we made our bottom in December, and we went back up. So this to me looks like a bit of a cup. And I think, and anytime you try to call tops or bottoms, you end up looking like an idiot. But I think we've probably seen the top and that we're going to start retracing now. And my gut feeling has been that we're probably going to retrace back down somewhere in the mid fives. I'd really like to be able to buy about 4,900, but I think we'll probably see somewhere between 5,500 and 6,000. This move was really strong. There's a lot of enthusiasm going into the market, and I think the market itself is just more mature, where people don't shake out quite as easy. So we'll see how it plays out, but I was expecting it to pull back somewhere between 5,500 and 6,000. And if it does, the way a cup and handle pattern actually works is you have your cup, which is your bowl here, and then you have this channel that actually moves down and obviously sideways, right? So you got a downward channel, and it basically bounces around this channel a little bit, works its way down, and then when the pressure builds up, it actually breaks out from the top. Now, the way that a cup and handle works is you actually measure from the bottom of the cup, not over here, but the actual bottom, to where it broke out at. So you would measure from here to here, and then whatever distance that is, you go from here up, okay? So if we do that on this particular chart, I should have shot this video in TradingView. Let me jump over to TradingView. I really hope that didn't do it. I just think it did. It saved over my freaking chart. You gotta be kidding me. All right, well, I clicked the wrong button, and rather than draw all that up, we'll go back to the picture. So anyway, if it breaks out and it moves up from here, it's going to put our target somewhere between 10,000 and 10,500. So I know a lot of people are saying, hey, I want to go to 10,000 right now. That would actually not be a good thing. Going to 10,000 right now would make this even more parabolic than it already is. I think what's healthy right now for the market is let's go up here, let's chill out a little bit, let's consolidate a bit, grind back down to this 50 to 61 fib area, and then let's launch off of that. And again, that would put our target up around 10,000 to 10,500 if that plays out. And to me, I think it's a feasible scenario. You can't ever predict the future exactly. There's too many things that could happen between now and then, but we're definitely due for a correction. We've been screaming up now for about 2.5 months. Somewhere around 72 or 73 days we've been screaming up, right? So we're due for a correction. Usually corrections end up being somewhere between the 50% level and the 78% level. A lot of people would call the 61 level like where the reload zone is, where they would start buying back coins that they took profits on. So that kind of lines up with that. Moving down and over to the side would establish more of this cup and handle pattern. And then finally, it's going to be time to go up again, because that's what you do in a bull market. If we're in a bull market like I think we are, right? You go down, make a higher low, and then you go up, right? And make a higher high. Well, if our high right here is 8,400, we come down and make a new higher high. I definitely don't think 10,000 is far-fetched at all. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Please feel free to give me your feedback. Let me zoom out a bit so we'll end up with the bigger picture here. Okay, That's kind of what we're looking at. If you're wondering about timelines, again, it's extremely hard to predict this kind of stuff. But if you figure that if we are going to start a correction soon, we'll probably correct for the next 30 days or so, which would put us somewhere like mid-June. And then if we start shooting up, could be, early July, maybe mid-July, maybe even August, by the time we hit this $10,000 mark. But we'll see. We will see. Please feel free to leave me your comments below. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to come hang out with myself and about 3,500 other cryptocurrency enthusiasts, we've got a group over on Facebook. It's a little over 2 years old. Turned 2 years old last week, matter of fact. So feel free to come hang out over there. There will be a link in the description. And last but not least, please remember that I am not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be a financial advisor. I am some guy sitting in a spare bedroom. You should always do your own due diligence before making any type of trade or any type of investment. This is James with Crypto Quick Start, and I'll see you in the next video.